Ability for crop production. Philippines has a total land area of 30 million hectares. Among the productive upland area is the Bukidnon. Despite being occupied by gently rolling grassland plateau, it was considered as a breadbasket of Mindanao and known to biggest pineapple plantation, utilizing that they are suited in the area. Given the soil and environmental condition can be great help to improve crop production. Objectives of the study: identify the crop suitability and soil fertility for the land of Bukidnon and soil textural using the GIS. General flow of analysis by GIS. In preparation for overlaying and analysis, all maps like slope, geologic, rainfall, topographic, and soil map were scanned and vectorized. Results and discussions. Land suitable for farming practices map. As you can see at the map, there are different colors. The legend, highly suitable, moderately suitable, marginally suitable, and lastly, unsuitable. It is 55.13% unlike the others. Agroclimatic map. Zone A, 37.54. It is the highest LRHT, HE, LH. Zone B, 28.87%. Zone C, 33.57%. As you can see, the abbreviation and the meaning like LRHT, HE, and LH. Soil fertility map. Legend, unclassified, high, low, and medium. Important outputs: soil texture, soil chemical properties, and deep flow of layers. Soil textural map. Note the rough broken land, RBL, and the mountain soil undifferentiated or MSU categorized were adapted for the soil map of BSWN. Crop suitability map. There are many legends. As you can see, there are many different colors. Where the green is the unsuitable zone, 25.36% of the land cover. Conclusion: maintaining soil in good condition is not only a concern in growing crops to ensure good harvest. This matter could enhance with fertilizer. Therefore, level of the soil must be known because it plays a vital role in plant growth important to the landowner and stakeholder must be aware of. Friends, thank you.